It's been almost an entire week, but I finally got a new permission. And this is an old school. It's from 1880 something or another. But I've done it once before and I got some good stuff. So hopefully we're gonna get some more good stuff here today. Good coin. I've gotten a couple dollars and a lot of 1 cent and 2 cent pieces. But there's Britannia and I can see a 20 very clearly. 1920 English penny. Clumsy hands today. I think that one will clean up nice though. It's got some really great details on it. Really excited about this. It's a lot of fun. Last coin came out right there. And here's another one. I can't tell, I think this is gonna just be a New Zealand one, but still copper. Not really too old, yeah. It's a New Zealand one. George, I can see the word George. It's not gonna be too old though. 1940s or 50s. Still so fun to find, and they're right next to each other. Sure if I just landed on a spill, but those coins are right there and there, and I just flipped out a silver. Yes, it's gonna be a shilling. Oh, I'm so glad. I haven't found silver in forever. Oh, this is super cool. 1933. George the Fifth, I think. Yay, silver. I can't believe I missed silver when I came here before. I'm sure I've hunted this exact same ground. But that would be my 6th shilling I've ever found. And that puts me at 49 silvers for the year. Woo! Go for the silvers right here. And I just flipped out another penny. And this one was a lot deeper. I think it might be English. King George the, what's that? Can't tell. I think that's the 6th. Yeah, King George the 6th. Oh, it's just in New Zealand. 49? Pretty cool still. Yes, I got silver number 2 for the day. I think it's a 6 pence. It's about the size of one, but it's been bent. Something bent this silver. It's really cool looking though. Look at that. Somebody or something bent that silver in half. It's too bad. Oh. It's a 1934 New Zealand 6 pence. Bent right down the middle. So cool to find. I think it ruins the coin's value, but it adds more significance to it almost. Yeah. I love it. That's the 2nd silver for the day. Hoping to find many more than just this. Oh my gosh. Please tell me that's what I think it is. Oh, I just dug a pull tab signal. And there's something golden in the hole. Oh, please, 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 please. I can tell right now. That's got some weight. Oh my gosh. It's got some, does it have, it's missing a stone, but it's, oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That, my friends, is a gold ring. That's my 2nd gold ring I've ever found. Look at that, it's got stones. Is that one missing? It's missing one of them. Oh, come on, pop that out. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Where's the... It's definitely gold. Oh. Oh. There it is, hallmarks. Oh yes. What do they say? Do you see him? I keep stumbling around. Oh, please don't be plated or something. I can't read them. Does that say 10K? Oh, I can't tell. Oh my gosh. It's a beautiful design. It's like a little buckle for your finger. Oh, that's a gold ring, gold ring. Oh. Yes. Oh, I did not expect that. Yes, yes. Oh, it's too bad it's missing that stone. Maybe it's still in the plug. I almost want to look, but I doubt it is. Oh, yes! Second gold ever, second gold ring ever. That makes me so happy. Just wipe down the inside. It's marked 18 karat. Oh, 18 karat is, my last gold ring was 9 karat, so 18 karat is so cool. Oh, that's super exciting. Yes. Still cooling down after that ring. I've just walked like 3 feet and I just got an old English penny. Just fell out of the hole. Let's see. Who's on there? I can't tell. Let's see if we can get a date. Come on. Huh. Not gonna be able to ID this one in the field. I know it's English. I think it's probably gonna be from the teens. Or maybe that's old Queen Victoria head. I can't tell. Anyway, so cool still. It was really pretty deep. So. Just flipped out another old English penny, and this one's got a pretty visible date. 1936. Looks to be in great condition. At least on the reverse. I might be having some friends come join me because I just texted a bunch of people about the gold ring and they all want in. But anyway, I'll catch you on the next. Been a little while, but I got another copper. Or kind of a copper. Not a copper like the Hoover Boys find, but still a copper to me. I think that's a 40s, 1945. Still cool to find. My goodness. There's something golden in the hole. Yet again, second time today. Oh, please tell me that's real gold. It's tiny, but it's striped. Oh, that's some sort of precious metal. It's heavy. I'm pretty sure that's a gold ring. Oh my gosh. There's no way I did 2 in a day. There's no way. There's something written in there. Oh, I hope that's a hallmark. Oh my gosh. There's no way. Oh, I'll get back to you if it's pure. Let me clean it up and see. You can barely see it there. This is an 18 karat gold ring. That's the second 18 karat gold ring today. 2 silvers, 2 18 karat gold rings. And that one was like 3 inches deep. Ah, that's my 3rd gold ever. What? And it's beautiful. I love this design. That's incredible. I am amazed. Oh, double gold day. That's incredible. There's another old penny. Let's see, is it New Zealand? Yep. 1945, I think. I got something different. I don't think it's a precious metal, but it's a giant skull. It's kind of heavy. It could be silver. Well, I don't know. Ugh. It's pretty full of junk. Still kind of cool. I mean, it's junk jewelry or precious jewelry. Let me see if I can get this stuff out. Oh, there we go. Any markings? Nope, guess it's just junk jewelry. Cool though. I just hit something else. It's a ring and I think it's a precious one. Oh, it's stuck. Yep, I think this is silver. Yes, that's the third precious ring today. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Just got the call of silver. Ah. What year?
34.
Ah, nice. Almost to 35.
35. Real shallow too.
Ah, nice. Let's see, that's the fourth silver today then. Sweet.
That deep.
Oh, really?
Yeah, real shallow.
Yeah, I know. Everything's been actually really shallow out here. Cool.
Sweet.
Got another old penny. It's gonna be just a New Zealand one, so I think it's from the 50s. Flipped out a nice English halfpenny. I don't actually find too many of these. I think the date is 1932, but it could be 22. But I love finding halfpennies, probably more than I like finding pennies, in fact. Got another halfpenny. I saw a date 1942 just a second ago, but a little bit of rough condition, but still cool. Been a little while. Finally got another one. It's a shilling. Oh, what's the date gonna be? 42. Nice. I've got a 43, but I don't have a 42 yet. Ah, I love these silver coins. I think that one will wash up real nice. Just another old penny. I think it's probably from the 50s, but it's pretty close to that shilling, that last shilling I just found. Oh yes, my second ever silver half crown. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's gonna be past 1937. Let's see. I can't make a date off. 1940 something. Oh, that's super awesome. That's probably the third best find that I've had today, which is crazy because normally this would be my best find. I got a Florin, but it's not a silver one. It's gonna be right around the cutoff date, which is so frustrating because it's almost a silver one. But I still love finding Florins. Pulled out another old English penny, and this one is 1914. You can barely see the 4 right there. I think it's in okay condition, but this side's a little crusty. It's pretty deep actually. For most of the stuff that comes out of here, that's pretty deep. That's like 7 inches. But cool, I'm pretty happy with that. We got another call of silver. Ah, today's been long and pretty good up on my hunts. What does that even mean? Pretty high up on my favorite hunts. Ah, oh, that looks nice. Look at that, got a stone and, oh, is it got a stone or is it missing it? I can't even tell.
Ah, it's missing.
Oh, that's nice. That one's probably really old too.
Yeah, it's missing. Bummer.
Might be in there somewhere. Probably not gonna be able to
It's got
find
dirt
it,
in
though.
there, so I think it's been lost for a while.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's super cool.
Yeah.
Well, it's not a silver ring, but it's a mood ring. I don't think it'll work still, but it's interesting. Yeah, it's got all these mix of colors in there. Doesn't look like it could still tell me what my mood is, but I can tell you it's happy.